Hello and welcome to Peace Diaries. In this video, I'm going to show you the trick on how to play jungle slots on Lollipop live streaming app. You log into Lollipop account and then you go live. You can go live through party or through chat. When you go live, you will see the game pad there. There are different games there, the Lucky, 77 jungle slots, the fishing era, and the rest of them. Now I have clicked the jungle slot and it is loading. If you want to get more tricks on how to play games on Lollipop, kindly subscribe. Tell me in the comment section that you want to learn more tricks on how to play Lollipop games and I will let you know. Lest I forget, you can also be an agent on this app. You can also sell coin. Now let's wait for the app, for the game to load. I mean, the game is loading. It's loading. Yes. Now this is the jungle slot game. Instead of playing with 20, 100, 1000, there's a smart way of playing this game. You buy free spin. If you look at it, that place, you will see buy free spin. With 20, you can buy free spin of 1000. With 100, you can buy free spin of 5000. With 300, you can buy free spin of 15,000. This is a smart way of playing this game and you will win big. Now I am going to buy free spin of 1000. Now I'll press spin. Then the system will spin it for me and choose the number of spin that I'm going to get. So I have won 6 free spin. Now the system will spin it for me. The first attempt I got nothing. Second attempt I got 15. The third attempt I got 15 too. Just watch and see. This is the third attempt. I have a big win, 500. You know, I bought free spin of 1000. Did you guys see it? This is the last spin now. So my total win is 767. So I collect it. I went in again. I'm going to buy another free spin. So my free spin is 6. So the system will spin 6 times for me. First spin, I won 30. Second spin, nothing. Remember, I went in with 20. Did you guys see it? Super mega win. 15, which is the last spin. So let me show you the total spin, the total win for this spin. It's a 1594 win. You can see. So this is a smart way of playing this game. So guys, if you want me to share more tips and tricks on how to play games on Lollipop and win big, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to do more videos on other games available on Lollipop. See you in my next video. Bye.